Helpful Dad with another quick tip video for you. The question I have for you today is, would you like to find a way to get more out of your Amazon Prime membership? Let's face it, we're all paying more nowadays for the Prime membership, so we really need to make sure that we're utilizing all the services that are available. Everybody knows about, the free shipping and the 2-day shipping, things of that nature, but maybe there's some other things you don't know about. So if you look on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see the rundown of what we're going to talk about here today. I want to make sure that they are of interest to you. I don't want to waste your time with the video, but if you are interested in those things, that's what we're going to talk about. And also as a bonus for you, or just as a kind of a tip for you here, everything I'm going to talk about is also in written format on my blog. So look in the bottom right-hand corner, you can see my blog, thathelpfuldad.com, and there is an actual article about this. So everything I'm going to say is already there for you, including all the links as well too. So check out that blog. I do lots of quick tips like this. I also do life lessons, tons of stuff on the blog. Make sure you sign up. We're giving away free ebooks, things like that. And you can get the tips by email so you can read them at your leisure. But anyway, let's get started on this particular tip. How can we get more from our Amazon Prime membership? Well, the first thing is the Amazon warehouse deals. I mean, do you guys know about this? I've talked to so many people that shop on Amazon and say they've never even used the warehouse. I mean, I've saved over $1,000 by shopping on the warehouse over the years. And not every item has a warehouse deal, but you should always be checking to see. And it's not necessarily used items. It could be like new items where the box is damaged. That's how I get most of my stuff. Or it could be, somebody returned it, right? It will tell you what the situation is. And it also carries the Amazon guarantee. So if you don't like it, you can just send it back. You have nothing to lose, right? So let's say that you are shopping, I don't know, I've gotten a lot of stereo equipment from there, and all my speakers in my surround sound in my house are all from there. I may save like, $30 to $50 a speaker doing it that way. But let's go to Amazon. Let's say we're shopping for luggage, right? Okay, here's one that's $130 normally. Okay, it's new for $130. Perfect. This is what I want to show you. Buy used. Okay, that should be an Amazon warehouse deal. Let's go ahead and take a look and see. Okay, what we want to look for is this. And again, I have a whole other video on this that goes into this in more detail, but just to give you the very quick tips. So this is sold by Amazon warehouse, fulfilled by Amazon. That's what you want. So we get the Amazon guarantee, and it tells us that this particular one has a small cosmetic imperfection, but it is going to come in the original packaging. The packaging is going to be damaged. Maybe you want that one, maybe you don't. I like looking at these like new ones here. So for $2 more, you can get a like new item, comes in the original package, packaging is damaged. Man, I've gotten so much stuff like this. If you get this one here for $100, you just saved almost $30 by shopping from the warehouse, and you still get the Amazon A to Z guarantee. Boom, I just saved you that by watching the video. You're welcome. All right, so that is the Amazon warehouse. Again, there's more to that, but for the purposes of this video, to keep it short, if you want to see more in depth on the warehouse, I have another video I'll put in the show notes, and you can watch that. Let's see what the next one is. So we're done with this tab here. Okay, so Prime Music. Where is Prime Music? Let's find Prime Music here, okay? Do you know about Prime Music, or do you still listen to Pandora or something? Why would you be listening to Pandora when you have to listen to ads, or why would you pay for Pandora and pay money when you could get Amazon Prime Music for free? It's a benefit of your Prime membership. You get this for free. There is, like I said, over 2 million songs. It's ad-free. What I love about Prime Music is you can skip as many songs as you want. And last I checked, you can't do that on Pandora, right? And you can use the up and the down thumbs, and so you can do that as many times as you want as well, too. And lots of different stations. I mean, we play Prime Music all the time in our house. Basically, we have it going at night through our surround sound speaker systems, which we got from the Amazon warehouse. We have that going at night with rain music, so it's like white music all night long. And the way we do this here is we use an Echo Dot. You don't have to use an Echo Dot to use Prime Music. You can just listen to it right on your phone with an app, right? But if you have an Echo Dot, you can have it stream through your Echo Dot, and then you can control it with the Alexa app on your phone. And now here's another thing. If you have surround sound speakers in the ceiling of your house, if they're already there and you want to power those, you can do that through your stereo receiver, right, as your Zone 2 speakers. I got another video about this as well, too, so I won't get too complicated on you. But the bottom line is you don't have to buy like a Sonos system to power it. You don't need to buy all that. That's like $500 or $1,000 to get that whole system there, right? You can do it with a single Echo Dot. You plug your Echo Dot into the back of your your receiver, plug this in the AV port, right? And that will be the input coming from the Echo Dot to your receiver, and then this will go through your Zone 2 speaker. So we have it playing on our patio, in our bedroom, in our bathroom, all from the Echo Dot, which we control with the Alexa. And again, that's playing Prime Music, which we're getting for free from Amazon as a benefit of being a Prime member. So there you go. That is a really cheap way to power all those Zone speakers. Saved you a bunch of money there too. The next thing is the rewards card. Okay, now we're really going to talk about some savings. So do you know about the rewards card? I mean, this is the Amazon Prime rewards card. No annual fee, and you get, this is the beauty of it, 5% cash back when you shop on Amazon.com, and now also at Whole Foods as well, because you remember Amazon bought Whole Foods. So think about this. This is an easy way to get 5% cash back, right? This is the only card we use when we shop on Amazon because we're saving 5% just by using it. Now, we don't use it for the other things at restaurant or outside because we have other cards that do that. But this particular one we use for everything on Amazon. And you can set it up to where it's automatically paid. You don't have to worry about it. It just like runs on autopilot. Now, here's another thing. If you use subscribe and save. Do you know about what subscribe and save is? That's like where you can sign up and you can get like your common items like toilet paper, diapers, things like that. You can sign up and you can save between 5 and 15% extra when you sign up for those. And you can have them sent to you once a month or once every 2 or 3 months. And you can cancel them the subscription if you don't want it, so you're not locked in. But think about this now. If you're doing 15% savings because you have, say, 5 items that you're subscribed to, right? And you're also getting 5% back on the credit card. That's a 20% savings right there. That's a big deal. I mean, that really adds up over time. So that combination of the credit card with subscribe and save is a big way to save some money and get a lot more out of your Prime membership. Okay, the next thing is the video channels in Prime TV. Do you know about Prime TV? See if we can find that here now. Okay, so, you know, if you're cutting the cord, right, and you have a smart TV or a Fire Stick, right, or a Roku device or Apple TV, you know, you don't have to have the Fire Stick to get Prime TV. You have it automatically as a benefit of membership. And if you have a smart TV or some other resource that you already have, you can download the Prime TV onto that smart device if it's not already there, and then you're going to get a bunch of free movies, you get free TV shows, all those Amazon original series like Bosch or The Man in the High Castle, things like that. There's tons of them, right? You get those for free, right? Plus any kind of older series that might be on Amazon, it's all there, and all you got to do, and it's all free, right? Now, if you have this app, right, you can also then get additional channels that you might want to subscribe to. So let's say you're cutting the cord and you want to be able to watch HBO or something, or Stars or Showtime, things like that. Now it says these are free. They're free to download the app, but you still have to pay for them. Like I think HBO is like 10 or 15 bucks, and same thing for Showtime. But you can get those. You can also get like Nick Jr. I think that's like $5, or CBS another $5. So you can build your own package for TV, and then you can cut the cord. If you have a subscription to like Sling TV or DirecTV Now or Hulu Live or something like that, those apps can be added, and you can do it all through the Amazon Prime TV interface. And we use these Fire Sticks. So look at the sale on these. Are like $30 now, right? So we have these in all of the rooms, TVs in our house, and we just stream everything through there. Now here's another tip for you, and that is NFL Network. You know, a lot of times people wanted to keep NFL Network because they wanted that Thursday Night Football. Well, now Prime is broadcasting Thursday Night Football for free for Prime members. So they did the whole 2017 season last year. All these games were there. I think they actually broadcast the Super Bowl, if I'm not mistaken, as well too. And you get that for free as being a Prime member. So Prime TV. Okay, what's the last one? The Prime Photos. Do you know about Prime Photos? So you know like what Google Photos is, right? Where you can automatically have your phone back up the photos to the Google Photos app in the cloud, and then they're all stored there. Well, Prime Photos has the same thing, and you get that free for being a Prime member. And what's kind of cool is if you have that Fire Stick, right? When you have your Fire TV paused, right? Let's say it's been paused for a minute or two. You can set up the schedule. A slideshow of your pictures will show. And that's pretty cool. That kind of helps you to get those memories back and things like that. So that's a nice little feature. And then there is also something called Prime Prints. Now, you don't have to be a Prime member to use this, but it's just like another printing service, like, you know, they have them at Walmart and CVS and things like that. The prices are pretty good here. I mean, you can see that all the gifts and stuff that they have. But if you're a Prime member, Here you go, Prime customers. You get free standard delivery if your order is less than $15, or expedited delivery if it's over $15. So again, being a Prime member, you have all these benefits that you have access to. So hopefully this information is helpful to you. I mean, there are other benefits besides this, and again, I have more in-depth things, in other videos, but this I wanted to give you kind of a quick overview of ways to get more out of Amazon Prime. Again, if you want to read everything, it's on the blog, thathelpfuldad.com. Everything is in written format right there. So if you like these tips, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, check out the blog, find us on Pinterest as well too, That Helpful Dad. Thanks for watching and have a great day.